Hey everyone, if you are a Web3 developer who is looking to build his next Web3 app or add support of Tron network on your existing app, you must be in the need of a reliable RPC node and developer toolings. Well, Tatum is here to help. In this video, we'll just talk about how you can get started using Tron RPC nodes with Tatum via the API or with the SDK, which has a lot more added benefits which you can read in our product docs. So without any further ado, let's get started. All right, so as you can see, we have two code snippets here. On the left, we call the ETH block number method of Tron nodes using the Tatum JSON RPC via the APIs. We use the same block number, the latest block that we get from here on the right, where we call the get block method of Tron nodes via the Tatum SDK. Now, before diving into the code and start using Tron nodes in your own project, you'll probably need one or two things which you can get for free on the Tatum's dashboard. Let's see how you can do that. So as you can see, we are logged in into dashboard.tatum.io. And there's two things that you would need at max. One is the API key, which you can find here on the overview page in the bottom side, your free mainnet API keys that you could use. And if you're making the calls via REST APIs, you'll probably need to have the node URL as well, which you can find in the RPC node section and select Tron and nodes. Once you have these two informations, you are ready to build the next great app on Tron powered by the most reliable infrastructure that you can find in the blockchain industry. Let's get back to the demo and we'll finish off the video by making the call via the API and via the SDK. So as you can see, we have prepared the request here where we have initialized our RPC URL, which we get from the dashboard. We have initialized our API key in the headers, which we also get on the dashboard. And then we have made the call to block number method by providing the method name as a method params here. We made the call and log the data in the console. And as we run it, you'll immediately see the latest block in the console. Now, since this get block method here expects the parameter to be either block height or block hash, we can take this latest block numbers hex to a site like Rapid Tables and you paste the hex here, click convert, and you'll get the block height. Now let's paste this block height here in the block number field. And just going through the SDK code before we run the file, you can see we have Tatum SDK installed, which you can do by running npm install at tatumio/tatum. Next, we have initialized the SDK to the Tron network and the API key that we plan to use. And then we have finally made the get block call here by passing the block number as parameter. Now, since I've already installed the SDK, I won't be running this part. Instead, I'll directly run the file and you can see the block details straight out from the node to your console. At Tatum, we have the best infrastructure engineers of the industry, and we make sure that your experience while using Tatum nodes is frictionless. Let us know what you're building with the Tron nodes in the comments. We'll be happy to know more about it. This was Chef, Product Manager at Tatum. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next one.